decided about 6 years ago that we wanted to offer a payment solution to add on to our procurement solution. We decided that we did not want to become a regulated money transmitter ourselves. Rather, we would work with someone who could handle the payments. Our goal was to create the best software we could, and we needed somebody who could make it seamless for our customers inside our software platform. Our customers are generally global, so many of them have a need to make payments to many countries around the world, and also make payments from many countries around the world. So we needed someone with a broad regulatory footprint, and TransferMate was a good partner for that because they can help support our customers in the US, but also customers outside the US and global customers in the US that have locations all around the world. Our customers today, before they come to Coupa, they generally work with their bank to make payments. And the way that works is they have their invoices either in their accounting system or in the ERP platform. And then they have to take those approved invoices over to their bank. So they would typically export a file, import that into their bank application, make the payments that way. And that can be quite cumbersome if you're processing payments from multiple different accounts, if you work with different banks, if you have bank accounts around the world. So just that process of taking your approved invoices and turning them into payments can be quite complex. So with Coupa, you connect your accounts to the Coupa platform. You already have your invoices in the Coupa platform. And as those invoices get processed and approved in Coupa, it's a very simple step just to pay them. And then that payment goes out through TransferMate, and it's a very seamless experience for the customer. TransferMate is definitely one of our strongest partnerships and closest partnerships. We had a full day meeting a couple of weeks ago in Dublin between the TransferMate leadership team and the Coupa Pay leadership team, and we laid out a roadmap for 2025. We decided what we'll be working on and when that's going to be released. So we work jointly with our product team and the TransferMate technology team to define the roadmap, and it'll come out. We release new software 3 times a year at Coupa. We'll have lots of new functionality coming out next year. The pace of change in payments has really picked up. In the last 3 years, I think we've had more change than in the previous 10 years. There's much more flexibility when it comes to timing of payment. I think as we look on the B2B side, we'll have some interesting use cases come out of that. Primarily real-time payments has been for consumer payments initially, but I'm looking forward to seeing what will come out on the B2B side with real-time payments.